Hey guys, welcome back to our channel lerythmefrancais. Today in this video I am going to tell you about the different ways of saying no in French without sounding rude to the other person. So what are we waiting for? Let's start. Moving on. C'est parti. Our first no is the traditional no. N-O-N is pronounced as no in French. This is a traditional way to say no in French. You can safely use it with anyone. In some situations, answering no can come across as rude. So, you may want to say no merci. Instead, that means no thank you, just to be a little polite. So, here is the example. Vous êtes américain? Are you American? So, if you are not American, you can simply say no, je suis français. No, I am French. Our next no is that will be all. That will be all in French is ça sera tout. When you buy something at the bakery or order a meal at a restaurant, the waiter or the seller is likely to ask you if you would like something else. If you do want something else, you simply need to say, what is it what you want? But what if you don't want anything else? In that particular case, you can answer ça sera tout. That will be all. So here is the example. Vous prendrez une boisson avec ça? Will you take a drink with that? Then you can simply say no merci, ça sera tout. No thanks, that will be all. Our next no is no way, which in French is pas question. Pas question. Sometimes people ask you something so crazy that you immediately know the answer is a no. In this situation, you can use pas question. So let's see the example. Est-ce que tu peux me prêter 2000 euros? Can you lend me 2000 euros? Oublie, pas de question. Forget it, it's no way. Our next no is the evident no, which in French is hors de question. It literally means out of the question. Sometimes people ask you something for which it is evident that you would say a no. In that case, you can use hors de question. So here is the example. Est-ce que tu vas au bureau après le dernier accident? Will you go to the office after the last incident? The answer can be hors de question, out of the question. Our next no is the absolute no. Sometimes you come across some situations for which you can never say yes, and it's a no always. For that situation, you can use absolument pas. It literally means absolutely not. For example, est-ce que tu penses que vous allez échouer cette fois-ci? Do you think that you will fail this time? Then the answer can be absolument pas. Not at all. Our next no is never. If you want to say you will never do or never did something, you can say jamais. Est-ce que tu as déjà été en Autriche? Have you ever been to Austria? The answer can be no, jamais. That means no, never. Our next no is I am just looking. So if you enter a French shop, the seller may ask you if you need help with anything. In that case, you can answer je ne fais que regarder. Je ne fais que regarder. That means I am just looking. So here is the example. Bonjour monsieur, je peux vous aider? Hello sir, may I help you? The answer can be no merci, je ne fais que regarder. No thanks, I am just looking around. The impossible no. If someone asks you about something you know which is to be impossible or something you can't do, you can say impossible. Impossible, which literally means impossible. So let's look at the example. Est-ce que tu peux m'aider à déménager demain? Can you help me move tomorrow? Impossible, j'ai rendez-vous chez le docteur. Impossible, I have a doctor's appointment. Another way of saying no is not yet. If you are supposed to do something but didn't do it yet, or know that a movie your friend wants to watch wasn't released yet, in that particular case you can use pas encore, which literally means not yet. So here is the example. Tu as vu le film dont je te parlais? Did you see the movie I talked to you about? Pas encore, not yet. The contradictory no, you can use mais no. This is the equivalent of si. You can use it in informal conversations. So try to avoid using it in formal situation. If a friend tells you something negative and you don't believe in, or if you simply want to make a person feel better, you can use mais no. Here is the example. Je suis moche de toute façon. I am ugly anyway. Mais non, c'est pas vrai. No, that's not true at all. And next type of no is not at all. If you do not like something at all, you can use pas du tout. That is a very simple no which we use in the daily life. Let's look at the example. Est-ce que vous aimez ce type de fleurs? Do you like this kind of flowers? Pas du tout, not at all. Not really. When someone asks you how you are doing in French, you don't necessarily have to say yes. You can also say pas vraiment, which means not really. So here is the example. Salut Antoine, ça va? Hi Antoine, is everything okay? Pas vraiment, not really. The rude no in French is oubliez. Sometimes people ask you something so crazy that you immediately know the answer is a no. In this situation, you can use oubliez. Oubliez means forget it. Here is the example. Est-ce que vous pouvez me donner votre note de français? Could you give me your French notes? Oubliez. Forget it. Later is another way of saying no. So if I ask you if you want a pizza right now after you ate, or you are likely to say no. Not because you hate pizza, but because you are full and would rather eat later. In this situation, you can use pas maintenant, which literally means not now, or even plus tard, which means later. Here is the example. Ça te tente de manger une pizza? Do you feel like eating a pizza? Then you can say pas maintenant, not now. Unfortunately, no. This is a way to say no companies love. They often use it to politely decline requests while pretending they really wish they could help you. Let's have an example. Est-ce que je peux obtenir un remboursement? This means, can I get a refund? They would say, malheureusement pas. Unfortunately not. So, our last no is the disappointed no. If you want to express your disappointment in French, you can use oh no. It is similar to that in English, which is oh no. Here is the example. Ton frère a raté son examen. Your brother has failed his exam. Oh no. Thank you for watching our video till the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and comment. Also, do subscribe our channel if you haven't done it yet. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Stay home, stay safe.